Hello, today I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating your very own Flash token on the EVM network using USDT ERC20 as our example. It's important to keep an eye on gas prices. If gas fee exceeds 25, it's advisable to hold off until the network is less congested. To get started, you'll need a minimum investment of 0.12 Ethereum, which will allow you to craft around 70,000 USDT Flash tokens. We will be utilizing the remixethereum.org platform for this task. Begin by creating a new file named usdt.sol. Make sure to use uppercase letters. In this file, paste the code provided in the video description. This will serve as the foundation of your smart contract. Ensure that you copy the code accurately. Any discrepancies may lead to errors during crafting. Next, we need to compile the file. Navigate to the Solidity compiler section, select version 0.6.6 plus and click on compile usdt.sol. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a green check mark on the left side. Now let's proceed to deploy our contract. Head over to the deploy and run transaction section and select wallet connect in the environment drop-down. Connect your MetaMask wallet. Return to the usdt.sol tab as sometimes the site can be sluggish. In the token name field, enter Tether and for the token symbol input USDT. After hitting transact, round up your max fee to the nearest whole number, then confirm your transaction. The initial transaction can be quite costly, typically around $20. After a brief wait, you should see a confirmation indicating that everything was successful along with the address of your smart contract. To verify its creation, I'll show you on Etherscan that our contract is legitimate. Now it's time to fund our smart contract. I'll be adding the minimum amount of 0.12 Ethereum. Enter your smart contract address, specify the amount and confirm the transaction. This should incur a fee of about $1 to $3. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed, then refresh the page to see that your contract is funded. Return to Remix and monitor for your balance. Once your balance is visible, click on Start. Making sure to set your max fee again. Once confirmed, click Withdraw and confirm this transaction as well. Now all that's left is to wait for about 2 minutes. If everything has been executed correctly, your Flash token should appear in your wallet.